Welcome back. Right, so I've got some bushes that I'm going to fit, probably not in this video, because the aim today is get the car in the air on my fancy new lift, get the subframe out, so I can replace that brake line that is quite heavily corroded. I've also got this progressive LSD conversion kit because it's currently got an open diff, and I think, well, we'll aim for more power. When we aim for more power, I don't want an open diff and I don't really want a welded diff. So in the next video or two, be doing the subframe, this, and today getting the subframe out, stripping it all out and replacing that brake line ready for, obviously I can't re-bleed it, it'll just be building the brake line, replacing it, and then see where we get on, and then we might do the bushes today, we might do diff today as well, see what's happening. So, all up in the air, wheels are off. Let's have a look underneath what we got to take out. So, by the looks of it, oh, that's going to be problematic. That's an issue. To get a subframe out, I need to get these plates off, which I should have done. Worth saying, what's that like in there? Oh yeah, there ain't no hope of getting them out. Is that metal or plastic? I'm not sure. Well, shit. I've taken the exhaust off. A little carrier bearing in it, that hasn't. Right, okay. Well, shit. That's me up a bit, isn't it? Bollocks. Right, okay. Back to the drawing board. Right, so, crisis averted. What I did was, I put it back down, unbolted, two buttons are just loosened, subframe out. So in theory now, it'll be, take the exhaust off, which I'll probably, oh, that's doing sweet all. So, knock them ones out there. Hopefully no breaky. And then we'll get that out. One hanger there, one hanger here. I need to redo these hangers at some point, so I'll do the new exhaust. Try and tuck it up a bit more. But yeah, we'll get this out. Won't strip that today because so bit of fucking about, but we have to get the should be able to rotate now. Yeah, so I can get them undone if I can. We'll get the exhaust off. Put a little camera up somewhere. Get to it. Right, so after an absolute palaver getting the exhaust off, to get the handbrake cables out, so you can get the subframe down without having to take all of that shit out, you have to disassemble partially the brake shoes. So I've just done that. I've cracked off all the drive shaft bolts just because it's going to be it'd be easier doing it now than doing it on the floor because I can use the handbrake. So I'm pretty much ready to disconnect the brake lines. I think that's the last. Disconnect brake line. Take the speed sensor out for the diff. Take this rear diff mount out, and then just taking the rear struts off, and then 2 bolts. Subframe should come down. I'm hoping the drive shaft comes apart quite nicely, but if it doesn't, we use hammer. But it's a pain. It is not an easy job, and it's quite cold outside. So that's out. What a pain in the arse that was. My God. What an awful, awful, awful job. Do not recommend doing that. But take half the underside out of it. Yeah, just absolute hell of a job. But once it's done. I ain't got to go back in there, so that's quite nice. Obviously got the brake lines to replace on the car. Probably ain't going to get around doing that today because this has been a right pain. But we'll get this stripped down and then I'll get the diff out of it. Probably leave it as a whole and then we'll pop it in the garage. I can strip it down properly over the week and get everything out of it. Not yet, not yet. I have. That's all. Yeah. I'm really up. Yeah, quite a good. So, oh, you can tumble there. Well, that's off, I guess, will do wind. That's too basically what it is. So, put it in the garage. So, subframe out, diff out, got to bush that, put an OSD in that. But we'll call that there for today. Just locked out on the jacks, so which is perfectly safe to do. Look at that, solid, ain't going anywhere. Beauty. Don't worry. That's blank brake fluid dripping from that. But yeah, not too bad at all. So, thanks for watching. It's been an absolute horrific ordeal. Look at the state of my face. So, but yeah, see you in the next one.